Alright, language explorers. So, let's look at this Sunday's preposition. Due to. Because of something. Yeah. I was late to the gym due to me recording videos. He did not know what to say due to him not knowing the words. She was here early due to there being no traffic. Yeah. I am writing due to my desire to teach and write. Yes. He is selling the thing. He is writing the document due to the sale. They will complete it due to their deadline. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. They are learning due to the fact they want to know more. I am learning Spanish due to the fact that I want to master the language. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. They will talk to me due to the fact that they trust me. How cool is that? I will speak with them due to them being professionals. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. He knew what to do due to what he saw. He knows what to do due to him being very experienced. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. She is writing due to the fact she wants to improve. I am recording this video due to the fact that I want to make more. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. They will go there due to the hot weather. Yeah. So I will travel there to that country due to the better climate. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. I'm reading this book due to it was recommended to me. Yeah, I'm reading this book due to the fact it was recommended to me. Someone said that I should read it. How cool is that? Yeah, so, due to. Now, can you use due to in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.